Hi, this is Jasper from Team Bird.i. I'm going to be giving you a quick walkthrough of our satellite image streaming portal today. So you can access the portal through our website. So I'm just going to sign in. And that's taken us to Glasgow, which is where Bird.i is based. As you can see, we use a Google base map. And we use a Google base map because it's what people are most familiar with, and it makes it very easy to navigate around. So for the purposes of this demo, we're going to be looking at the Permian Basin. So I've just popped that into my search function, and that's taken me over to Texas, where, as we know, there's a lot of oil drilling activity going on. So alternatively, I can use a pair of coordinates to navigate to a location. So just pop those in and it's taken me over. What I can do now is I can toggle the bird's eye viewer here in the top right. So that then automatically loads up the very latest imagery available. And I also have a timeline here, which I can use to look back at historical imagery. So I can pick up this image taken in January, for example. I can just start panning around the map. And as you notice, there's quite a bit of change compared to the base map, which we overlay our imagery on top of. So as you can see, that base map tends to be quite out of date. Now I've picked up a location earlier to have a look at some more detailed imagery. So again, I've toggled the viewer, and in this case, I've got imagery going back to January 2018. I'm going to just zoom in on this site here. Yeah, so let's have a look at how this site changed over time. So all of the imagery within our platform is at least 1.5 meter in resolution or higher. So we have imagery that goes all the way down to 30 centimeters. So I can even zoom in a little bit more. So that's a 30 centimeter resolution there, and if I want to, I can download that image. So yeah, once that image is downloaded, I can then use it within the company for analysis. So that's the image that I've just downloaded there. What I can also do is that I can save this location. So once I save it, I'll automatically receive email updates. And that allows me then to be notified as soon as new imagery becomes available. Okay, so I've shown you the platform. Hope you enjoyed this quick demo. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us here at Team Bird.i.